One of my favorite products is our Pro Post Wrap. So this sample shows all put together, but this is actually going to come to the job site in a 4-package bundle with the glue inside it, so you're going to assemble this on site. The great thing about this is it's going to be designed to wrap all of our 4x4, 4x6, and 6x6 treated posts, whether they be on a porch or a deck. So the awesome thing about this is we can color match this to match our decking material and really give that finished deck look to the bottom of those posts. So what we're going to show you next is our series of RigidMount blocks. So they're designed to be a series of utility blocks for lights, pipes, vents, and electrical connections. So we're going to start with our UL electrical block for all your electrical connections. We've got our receptacle block more as a remodel block. When you've already got your receptacle box there mounted on the wall, you're just going to go around it. One of my favorites and probably our most versatile is our split rigid mount. So the bottom actually is designed to come off so you can go around a pipe that's existing coming through the wall like a hose bib or a gas line, and then simply slide that back into place and continue your siding. We've got our oversized universal for those large coach lights, and then we've got our basic universal for our more standard sized lights or also for our pipes. The blank horizontal is really designed for multiple things. Air conditioner disconnects mount to this nicely, as well as drill a hole for that, or our HVAC pipes can go through here very easily as well. Again, you're going to drill those holes yourself. And last but not least, our personalized rigid mount to give that personalized touch to the home by putting the address numbers on there. Great touch and finishing look for the homeowner.